Under the current government-mandated healthcare system, healthy employee groups with relatively fewer and less costly claims will pay the same rates for health insurance as unhealthy employee groups with higher utilization and more expensive claims. So the cost to insure the unhealthy groups will be shared by all of the healthy groups. So if your employee group is a relatively healthy one, you will be subsidizing the unhealthy groups by paying as much as 40% more for the cost of insurance. So how can you segregate your healthy employee group from the excessive cost of insuring the unhealthy employee groups, and consequently reduce the cost of your healthcare insurance by as much as 40% without reducing benefits to your employees and still remain compliant with government regulations? With Section 105 of the Internal Revenue Code, otherwise known as a Healthcare Reimbursement Arrangement,